Hello everyone. Today I am talking to you inside GTB Garments Technology Bangladesh. It's a large scale international garments and textile technology exhibition held annual in Dhaka. Here the latest machineries, modern technologies and innovation from both local and international company are showcased, helping to make Bangladesh RMG industry more modern and competitive. Let's take a look at what GTB has to offer and explore the amazing technologies on display. Today I am here at GTB Garments Technology Bangladesh with our factory operation director sir Honorable Lakshita Yappa to check out the latest garments machinery.
I am looking for just like that. So very happy.
It's an amazing opportunity to see and learn about new machines that can improve our production quality and efficiency. We are exploring cutting edge technology from both local and international supplier and seeing firsthand how this innovation can make our Al Muslim factory more competitive in the RMG industry.
আল মুসলিমে আমরা তো কাজ করি তো কালকে আসছিল তো ওকে থ্যাংক ইউ
Ladies and gentlemen, independent guests, respected industry professional and valued participant, welcome to GTB Garments Technology Bangladesh Dhaka 2026. This prestigious international exhibition is taking place in ICCB, International Convention City at Bosundhara, Dhaka, Bangladesh. From January 40 to 17, 2026.
Business area. They are in that time they are struggling.
What do you have?
No, jacket ko. See, we have there have around 5-6 layers. You can see here. Continuously they are struggling for the skills.
Which needle are you using?
Needle কোনটা size ko use করতে হবে?
ওরগা আগের বডিটা
না needle type কি? Needle brand কি?
নিডল অর্গান
Then even you see this is the 3 needle concept. There is have continuously we are suffering here. Once have a more layer in that area they are struggling.
GTTV 2026 is not just a exhibition. Sanjit, come here. It is a powerful platform where innovation meets opportunity. It is designed to connect the garments and textile industry with the latest technology, advanced machinery and future ready solution.
Bag লাগবে bag লাগবে রানিং লাইনিং এডজাস্ট করতে পারবে না এটা স্পেসিফিক জায়গা দিয়ে দেবে সাউন্ড বেশি না ডেনিম প্যান্ট আপনার
This event bring together manufacturers, supplier, buyers, exporter, importers and decision makers from across Bangladesh and surrounding country. It creates an ideal environment for building meaningful connection and long-term business relationship.
How many seconds? Please have some measurement adjustment for the hip and waist. Maximum how much measurement we can adjust? Brother, standard measurement 36. Sorry, 42. But actual measurement 38. 38 to 42. I want to increase around 4 measure. 4 cm. To adjust the 4 cm, I have a tolerance 1 cm. At least 3 cm possible to. Maximum means.
Over the next 4 days, exhibitor and visitor will have the opportunity to explore cutting edge garments machineries, automation solution and production technology that are shaping the future of the industry. GTB 2026 also provides a valuable opportunity to source quality product, discover reliable supplier and initiate export and import agreements that can expand business horizons beyond border.
Okay, let's go.
Beyond the exhibition floor, GTB 2026 offer a series of networking event, education season and technical workshop. These programs are carefully designed to share knowledge, exchange idea and address the challenge and opportunity facing the global garments industry. As the industry continue to involve efficiencies, sustainability and technological innovation have become more important than ever. GTB Garments Technology Bangladesh Dhaka 2026 proudly support the transformation by bringing together the right people, the right idea and the right solution under one roof. We encourage the exhibitor and visitor to engage actively, connection openly and make the most of his dynamic platform to grow, learn and collaboration. Once again.
By 2027, while consistently meeting the exacting demands and standards of buyers across Europe, North America.
This machine is auto bottom hemming. This machine gives us increased productivity, reduced labor dependency, improved quality, cost efficiency.
হেডটা আপনার ছোট বড় করা যাবে সমস্যা নেই।
This is cut piece, and after the sewing, here we have the auto hanger machine, which make garments handling fast, smooth and efficient. It reduces manual labor, ensure consistent quality.
Marking pen, invisible. If it is light color, sample ko. Light color gum.
It will vanish via wash.
Huh?
It will vanish via water. Wash.
Water. Can we see? Can you show me? Show us from that.
No, I don't have any. You can check this one and you can check. It will vanish via water. Water is visible.
How can you check now? How do I check now?
চেক করার কোনো সিস্টেম আছে?
Authentic nine.
You can take it in.
How much? Marking is a very important number. Here is our marking. Look at that. H&M होता पड़े क्या मैनिश है इस स्टाइल हो रहा है तुम जाओ चेक करा ओके तब मुझे दे दो सेम ऑटो दिस ऑटो फिट जस्ट नो ऑटो फिट ऑटो फिट মানে আমি পিস দিবি অটোমেটিকলি অ্যাডজাস্টার দেখা দেন না এটা ফিট পারতে তো তুমি বুঝো না জামা এটা ধরে গেছে স্যার और एक दुकान मिलेगा आ रहा है This is the problem. You have to reduce this one. Main problem. Angry by now, you learn it again. अभी बड़ा जिम में आसरा इसकी मोबाइल नहीं रखते
Breakage, speakers, and this one strength of the needle. Strength also increase stronger needle, new needle, right? But you know, new 10 still trouble is happening around 4%, right? So in this time, you need to reduce needle size. You need to smaller needle.
Welcome to GTB Garments Technology Bangladesh Dhaka 2026. We wish you a productive, inspiring and successful experience. Thank you.